Hey guys, thanks for checking in to the Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I've got our 2017 Mazda Miata. It's the RF hardtop, power hardtop. Super cool car, guys. I'm just going to show you how you operate the top. Super easy. There's really no anything you need to unlatch. All it is this button right here. I've got the car running. Just have to have the switch on, put it down. If you want to put the top up, you push it down to lower the top. Push this button right here. You're gonna hold it for about, I don't know, probably 10 seconds. It actually shows you the action for the top getting down, and then it's gonna tell us complete. Just like that, we're done. And same thing to put it back up. Just hold it down and it's going to tell you the top is going up. Everything is power there. Check this out. Latches automatically. Operation complete. And this is how we put the top. This is what it looks like when we put the top down. Super cool, retractable hardtop. Fits right in the trunk. One button does it all. There it is, ready to roll. Thank you very much. Follow us for more helpful tips.